Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to save an image in Pixlr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Pixlr photo editor. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the right side of your screen. Under layers, you're gonna find this little plus icon. So go ahead and click on image. And then you can choose any image from your PC. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. We're going to zoom out a little bit to adjust the size of the image. So we're going to adjust it like this and then zoom in again. So now, for example, I'm going to add a text to the image and then I will save the changes. So I'm going to go here to the left side of the screen, click on text, and then click on add text. And for example, I'm gonna type something right here and then change the color from here. And we're gonna add a little outline to the text. Click on OK. And then change the place like this. And now in order to save this picture, all you need to do guys is go down to the right corner and click on save. Once you click on save, choose the image type that you want. You can either choose JPG, PNG, WebP, or PXZ. So I'm going to choose PNG, click on save as, and then choose the location. I'm going to save it here in downloads, click on save, and then choose a name before you save it, and then click on save. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.